George, guess what? Just dropped the kids off next door. You know what that means? Date night.
Oh, okay, well, I'll go get ready. Maybe you could organise a little cheese border, champagne.
I can do that.
All right.
You ready to go? We've got movies starting soon. Let me just grab some cheese. Let's go. Let's do it, darling. Date night.
How does she know my rhythm and frequency? The pulse of my breath reflecting like sequins, and the light from my spirit it always shines. She's in my heart, but she got no time.
Wow, I think I've created something totally amazing.
When you say I, do you mean like we created something amazing?
Yes, darling.
Yes, we. It's pretty special, isn't it?
If you build it, he will come. If you build it, he will come.
If you build what, who will come?
You didn't say.
I hate it when that happens. Okay, who's hearing voices?
Ronnie is. You know what? I think I know what if you build it, he will come means.
Why do I feel like this is not such a great idea?
Daddy, there's a man on our front lawn.
People will come, Ron. People will come.
I mean, you believed in the magic, so isn't that enough? Like,
Georgia, it's more than that. I really feel it in my bones. I feel it so strongly. It's going to happen.
You cannot give up. You cannot give up. This house, this court, this dream. It reminds us of all that was once good.
From the creators, Ronnie and Georgia. Sometimes, when you believe the impossible, the incredible comes true. Field of Hampton.
it's unbelievable.
Georgia, it's better than that. It's perfect.
Starring 4 sumptuous bedrooms. 2 luxury bathrooms, 1 library, 1 amazing kitchen, living, dining, 1 heated swimming pool, 1 incredible home cinema and wine bar, coming this spring. Field of Hampton.
How good is this? Is this heaven?
Darling, it's not heaven, it's Hampton.